Greetings to you all. The topic today is resolving more than two vectors. And our learning objective is still this is similar to the topic as to determine how to find the resultant of more than two vectors. Usually, when we are faced with problems like this, you see there are a lot of forces. I need to resolve it to find the resultant force. So when you have something like this, what you need to do is have to first of all resolve them or kind of put them into components. The horizontal component, then you also find the vertical component. The horizontal component has the x coordinate and the vertical the y coordinate. So you now have to look at all the forces in the x axis, that's the horizontal component. So we have 80 basically, then 75, 25 and 45 are supporting forces. On the vertical component, we have 60 basically, then 45, 75 and 25 are still the supporting forces. So we'll start with the horizontal side. We have 80. Then the supporting forces, when you are solving for the horizontal, we use cosine. When you are solving for the vertical, we use sine. So we have 80, then we have 75. We have 75 and 25. We start with 75 plus 75, 5 cos 30. Then we'll go to the next one, which is 25 cos 45. Now, these are the forces on the positive side of x. 45n on the other side is the negative side of x. So we'll start with, when we want to solve for that one, we have to put negative. Negative cos 65. You may be wondering how you get 65, but we have 25 there. What happened is that you cannot use the angle that is inclined to the vertical axis. Rather, you use the angle that is inclined to the horizontal axis. And to get the angle, you use the right angle equation, that's 90 minus theta, and the theta there is 25. So we have our angle to be 65. So when we do all add all the addables here and subtract the ones that needs to be subtracted, x now becomes 144. On the y component, we have 60. Then we have the forces. We'll start with 45. 45 sine 65. You know how we got our 65? Okay. Then the next one is 75. 75 sine 30. That's all for the forces on the y positive side. Then the force on the y negative side is only 25 minus 25 sine 45. If you do the maths, you get y to be 1. So our x now is 144 and our y is 121. This time now we'll do the resolving to find the resultant. And to find that, we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So in the Pythagoras rule, we have the resultant force to be square root of all in brackets bracket open, x squared plus y squared bracket closed. So and the x is 144, the y is 121. When we do the maths, we have 188. So that's the resultant force for the vector, the multiple vector that's given. Hope the video is helpful. Do remember to like and make your comments and subscribe for more notifications on any new video. Thank you for your time and see you when we see